Yeah.
We're gonna pack right up front.
Hey. Thank you. I want that one. Or that one. Or that one. Is that a petrol one? Oh, that's a petrol one. It must be good. Because they got chains on. Welcome to the vlog. Hold up. I'm gonna put this down. Welcome to the vlog. You're probably wondering, what am I doing in here? This is my tattoo room. I've taken all the pictures down because I'm repainting my whole tattoo room. It's gonna be white. It's been overdue for a paint job. The last people that lived there used some cheap ass paint, so it looks dirty. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. I'm painting my whole tattoo room, maybe draw a body armor script on that wall there, and most of the pictures will probably go on this wall behind you. That's why the vlogs is the way they are. I'm busy doing my own stuff. I'm trying to get my tattoo business popping. I've done that wall. That wall's white already. I've got that one to do. And up here, maybe the roof. I'll probably do the roof. I'm doing this one at the moment. And then comment. What color do you think I should do these shelves? I don't like this color because it's very dark and I need some light in this room. So my plan is to find a color for this, primer it, and then I don't know what color I'm gonna put on there. Probably black or white, green, purple, pink, brown. I'm not gonna vlog myself painting. You've probably seen a lot of vlogs people painting and you don't wanna see me painting it. So I'm gonna do what I need to do here and I'll catch you back up. I finished all my room. It's all white. Finished that wall and this wall. Don't know what color for this yet. But I got a time trial. I got a time trial right now. I'm gonna time Carl putting his bike together and see how long it's gonna take him. But this is the paint job I did. So now Carl and TJ's outside and I'm gonna time Carl putting his bike together and see how long it will take him. TJ.
TJ.
What the fuck?
Bagsy.
Bagsy.
TJ.
King.
Kyle.
King.
Kyle. That's Kyle.
King.
TJ.
What's up?
Apparently I'm Bagsy.
That's Bagsy.
Have we got the time ready?
Wait,
Just waiting for this guy here. What are you doing? Oh yeah, you gotta take everything
I'm
off.
gonna take my fucking meal.
Are you gonna spray that?
Spray
You
what?
even spray it, or you're just putting it
No,
together?
he hasn't.
No,
You're
I haven't
supposed to
even
clear
finished
coat
saying
it.
it.
Oh,
Spray it
Doing a
No.
shitty job.
tomorrow.
yeah, tomorrow. You're spraying it tomorrow.
I'm working, but I can't ride much tomorrow.
He's sanding it down,
He wants
so
to give it time because he wants to see if it gets any more rust.
No,
he's
that's
going
not
for the
rust.
rust look. Yeah,
This one.
clear coat it. You should be right.
You know, this is a disadvantage. My bolts have to come all the way out.
That's what she
You
said.
can just take it.
What is it, a female?
Female and female forks. As
Ugh.
well. So it's fucking shit. Is
Whose bike?
on TJ's bike, like 4 pegs on his bike, so it's even, or just.
Does he want 4 pegs?
Then you have to take
he
them
doesn't
off
run
anymore.
4 pegs, so we should just leave it as it is.
What?
I
No
choose
pegs.
to run 4 pegs, so it's my fault if I have extra work with the pegs. Right. He's just on his phone, he doesn't care.
No, I'm wondering what my ex is tasting.
Oh, his ex, he's getting back with his ex.
Fuck off.
Your ex, it's my ex.
No, not that. Not that big.
Not that ex. The other ex.
Not that big. Not that big.
The ex you dated after I dated. Oh no, the other one.
That was the biggest mistake of my life.
True shit.
100%.
In a second, mate.
Should really hide these. It feels like you got an
No way,
advantage.
bro. No way. That is not fair.
That's like an advantage. What if I mix it up?
I need to see because I'm it up because I know the order. You wanna not lose my shit?
Oh, my bad.
Better not lose my paper thins, eh? They get so much
Challenge,
fun.
challenge.
Like my forks have never been bare like this ever.
Leave that there.
This has never been bare. Like
Alright.
this.
You ready to go?
Let me sweet.
Ready to go?
Yeah.
Alright. Time starts now.
I run my seat high because I'm a street dog. You know?
You gotta get the right measurements, aren't you?
No way. There is no right measurements. You just huck it.
He likes it hard up his ass, boys.
Just see what happens, mate.
Alright. That took him
Give him a little bit of
32 seconds, exactly what I said. It's gonna take him that long to do a chair. Hey, I said 30 seconds it'll take him to put the chair on, and it took him 30 seconds. He's going for a different direction. He's gonna put the back wheel on.
direction. What do you mean going in a different direction?
Usually I put the front one on to make everything more easier, but you know, people are
Why
different.
would you put the front on? That's just...
And you have to go outside a Hucker 180. Well, ladies and gentlemen,
Wait, does it have to be landed, bro?
you have to land the 180 off.
Right, sweet. Handlebars, because I'm straight, right?
He wishes. Okay, our time is nearly coming up to 3 minutes.
Oh yeah, sweet.
Okay, that's different.
There's a carpet here, right?
Seating back the wheel direction is right. Always remember this, kids.
Time is 4 minutes and 17 seconds. Yo. So he's got the wheel on. But really the chain's on there, so that's cheating already.
Well, I ain't doing no chain braking today, you know?
Okay, I'll take away at least 10 minutes of the chain breaker, at least.
Fuck off.
Yes?
No way.
5 minutes. No, it won't even take you 5 minutes to
even
put it
5
on.
minutes.
Yeah, right. Look,
Not even.
10 seconds.
Yep, done.
you're right.
Easy.
Yeah, right.
You reckon,
Because
mate?
it didn't take him nearly half an hour to do it on the side of the road near my house.
Shut up. Nobody even asked you about it. Wait till you do your time. Your time is gonna fuck it.
6 minutes.
Cranks. Why don't I work at a bike shop? It's so good, eh? Fucking spectacular.
What?
You're lucky I'm building a bike right now, eh?
7 minutes.
Know what? Ow. Let me put this thing on.
Bro,
Crank it up. Or maybe not. Maybe go in before you put your sprocket on, eh? Sweet. Make sure you line your cranks up.
Maybe. What's that? 10 minutes.
Make sure you do every single bolt on your bike, Peter. Okay. Haven't even done this yet, by the way.
To straighten that out. Time is 10:45. Nope. No. There you go. 10:29. Bingo, 10:29.
My phone's done.
So he's gonna beat that.
So how rattly it is.
Let's see how. Hey, not as noisy as he used to.
So it's fucking ever been, mate. No grease and